It's cruise day, y'all, and today I'm boarding the Carnival Elation, and this is the oldest and smallest ship in Carnival's fleet, and I'm really excited because much as I love the new mega ships and all the flash and sizzle of those, there's something special about these older ships as well. So just getting here to the port here in Jacksonville, Florida. It's nice, warm, sunny day, and I'm really excited to board the ship. So guys, as always, if you're ready, I am. Let's go. Let's get on this thing. Let's go.
Looks like you, darling. Here you go.
Thank you.
You're gonna go right in the middle there.
Thanks so much. Alright, there's a doggy ready to come sniff us.
Alright, you guys are all set.
Alright, we passed the test. Hello. Doing very well yourself?
Good. Hey, Jackie,
Yes.
take your picture today.
Is my hair a mess? Whatever.
It looks good.
There's not enough to worry about.
It looks great.
Thank you. Slowly making our way up the gangway. It's interesting. It's like a permanent gangway. This is concrete here. You got to make your way up like, I don't know. It's a bunch of flights. But look, you got to get from the ground all the way up to that gangway up there. I've never seen something quite like this. It's kind of cool. It's different, but definitely a lot more back and forth zigzagging to get your way up there. But not a big deal. We'll be on in no time. The Carnival Elation, the oldest ship in Carnival's fleet. And here we are, the first steps on board. We made it, y'all. Hello. Wow, look at this, y'all. We made it. This is old school and classic. Look at this Atrium. Wow. This is the oldest ship in Carnival's fleet, the smallest ship in Carnival's fleet. They got this classic Atrium here. It's all the way up. I got faster than fun. So I'm gonna go find deck 6, U190, that's my cabin. I'm gonna go find my cabin and set my bags down so I can officially begin enjoying this amazing adventure. You ready? I am. Let's go. Made it to deck 6. You can see here, it says steamer's not open to 1:30, but I got faster than fun, so I can drop my bags. First thing first, I need to get some food in my belly. So I'm here, guys, burgers. I'm gonna give it a try, see how it is. They got wings here too, okay? I might actually get some of those wings. Look at this, they got these smash burgers and fries. They look good, y'all. I can't wait. So we'll see how this guy's burger is. I've had on other ships. They definitely do a good burger. That's tasty right there. So I'm definitely gonna enjoy this. That's yummy. For a burger, it's a good burger. All right, y'all, look out here at JaxPort, AKA the cruise port here in Jacksonville. See, it's pretty industrial. Got some dumpsters out there. Got a bridge out here. We need to cross under here in just a couple of hours. Well, I'm out and about and exploring the ship. I got some food in my belly and had a drink, and it's time to explore. So one thing's surprised about, look, this is the oldest ship in Carnival's fleet. They still got a decent looking water park in here. Look, you got one decent sized slide, a couple of racer slides, a couple small slides for the kids. It's not bad. Here we go, the Red Frog Rum Bar. Popular spot to be. Right across that, you got the Blue Iguana Tequila Bar. I'll walk you guys over there, show you guys that space. I'm more of a tequila guy than a rum guy, so I'm gonna grab myself a drink here. This is the Blues Patron Margarita. Let's see what it says. It's made of Patron Silver Tequila, triple sec, agave nectar, and fresh lime juice. Yeah, it's his typical margarita. It's good though. Guys, look, I loved it. Look at this, bro. Like, look, that looks like you're looking out like an old steamboat or something like that, doesn't it? Look, you got the windows out here right behind the bar. This is definitely an old school style cruise ship. 5 days is gonna be all right. I can't wait. Here at Red Frog Rum Bar? Yeah, Red Frog Rum Bar. So, here it is. See, pretty much the same sort of setup. We got across the way, the Blues Iguana Cantina. I always start out with like the signature drink, right? So here, this is the signature drink. This is the Red Rum's Treasure. It says, Red Secret Rum Recipe made from world-renowned premium aged Florida Cana, 12-year-old rum, Malibu coconut rum, Sprite, guava pineapple juice, and a touch of grated nutmeg. A little bit sweet for my taste, but that's pretty good. I'll certainly enjoy it. We're still here at port, so I still got to pay tax on all these drinks. It's like $1, not a big deal, but cheers, y'all. Got a Carnival towel animal up in here. I can say I've been on a ton of Carnival cruises, but I've been on a number. I've never seen the towel animal mascot. I like it. I just got to my cabin, and this is cabin U190. This is on deck 6. Kind of toward the aft. But you can see this is a balcony cabin. So as we walk in here, you can see to the left, you've got a small desk here. Look, you can see there's a bunk that folds down there. Another bunk that folds down on this side. Plus, of course, you've got your full size queen bed. With those things folded down, you will be a little bit tight in here. Got a small television there. Got a small mini fridge here. Not stocked or anything like that, but at least you've got it. Out here, you don't have a ton of balconies on this ship, but you do have some. I'll show you the balcony. Got a small balcony out here, a couple of chairs, an end table. All right, make our way back out here. Closet spaces here. You can see here you got the ladders for those. I've got a couple of my bags in here. Here you got another. This, you've just got basically more life jackets, some more hangers. It's cut in half. Then we got a couple drawers over here. Got a towel, small mini safe, and then you've got your bathroom. For a ship that's this old, the oldest in the Carnival fleet, that's not a bad sized shower. I've had way smaller showers than that. Got a small sink, mirror, hello. Then of course your toilet. But again, for this not being the suite, just a standard size balcony, it's comfortable. It'll be fine. This is my home for the next 5 days. This is again room U190 here on deck 6 here on board the Carnival Elation. If you're ready, I am. Let's go. There's certain things to just try to avoid if you can on Embarkation Day. And I was like, man, look at this long line. What are they waiting on? Well, what do you guys think they're waiting on? Can you guess? They're waiting on guest services. I feel for them. But look, we're in the Atrium here. Got shore excursions, no line in shore excursions. But this is that classic Atrium, y'all. It's small. Got a small bar here. Every single bar stool is taken. I'm trying to find where my muster station is. I don't know where it is. I'll figure it out. Here we are, y'all. Muster station C, is that you?
How you doing?
Doing very well.
Great. Experienced cruiser, I see.
Yeah, once or twice. Every cruise line, every cruise ship has certain things about it. You know, it's like, okay, that's a reason going that. Carnival, one of the reasons going Carnival is, well, a drink. The Cucumber Sunrise, to be specific, which is at the Alchemy Bar. Only at the Alchemy Bar, but it is amazing. That's dangerous, y'all. My friend Melissa, you're probably not watching, but I met you at the celebration. I think you were the one that introduced me to this drink. It's just as good as I remember. So I'm gonna enjoy this, and then I'm heading to the sail away party. I should be out here. You can see we're sailing away. Maybe it hadn't started yet. Note to self, look at the schedule, dummy. Sail away party is at 3:45. It's 4:10. It's already over. Thought it was at 4. Usually they're 4, but what you get for making assumptions. You know what they say about assumptions, right? I think it's spelled a certain way. I don't know. But sail away party's over. We'll spend a short sail away party, less than 30 minutes. That's all right though. I'm at Franco, the cruise director. I was like, hey man, what's started? He said, you just missed it. Do I care? Nah, gonna have a great week anyways. 5 days at least. You can see we're sailing away. Goodbye, Jacksonville. Last land we're gonna see for a couple days because tomorrow's a sea day. Happy enough because, well, I got a Cucumber Sunrise. How can I not be happy?
Get their attention because we're going to get two couples up here on stage to contest for that amazing Welcome Aboard Show VIP package. Turn around. I want you to assume the position. Right there. 2, 1, go! Check it, check it, check it, check it, check it, check it, check it. Side to side, side to side. Oh, check, there we go, there we go.
The first show's in the books and it's a welcome on board show, right? Nothing special, but now the party's moving out here to the Atrium. Carnival Elation may be an older ship, but it still got life. But don't take my word for it. See for yourself. Look at this, we're here in the Atrium. Look at this, got the cruise director Franco up on stage. Some of his fun teams. Look at this Atrium. Passing through the casino area here. Look at this.